How do you use lattice multiplication with integers? Lattice multiplication is an alternative method to long multiplication. All multiplication problems which can be solved using long multiplication can also be solved using lattice multiplication. It's called lattice multiplication because you draw a lattice, or grid, when you use this method. Let's learn through an example. 264 times 27. You start this example by drawing a lattice, or a grid, which is 3 cells wide and 2 cells high. You do this since 264 has 3 digits and 27 has 2. Write 264 above the lattice and 27 on the right side, like this. Then, draw diagonal lines from the top right to the bottom left. Each cell contains the product of the digits placed above and to the right of it. You write the ones place digit in the bottom right part of the cell, and the tens place digit in the top left part of the cell. If you have no digit in the tens place, you write a 0. You can start in whichever cell you like. I choose to start in the top left one. 2 times 2 is 4. So you write 0, 4 in this cell. 6 times 2 is 12, so you write 1, 2 in this cell. 4 times 2 is 8, so 0, 8 here. In the next row, you get 2 times 7, which is 14, or 1, 4. 6 times 7, which is 42, so 4, 2. And 4 times 7, which is 28, 2, 8. You find the final answer by adding the numbers in each diagonal. Here, you have to start in the bottom right. This has just one digit, 8. So you write 8 under this column. The next diagonal gives you 8 plus 2 plus 2, which is 12. You write 2 under the column and carry the 1 to the next diagonal. This gives 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4, which is 11. The next diagonal is the 1 you carried, plus 1, plus 4, plus 1, which is 7. The last diagonal is just 0, so you don't need to include that. The digits on the left side and under the lattice are the digits in the final answer, which are 7, 1, 2, 8. So 264 times 27 equals 7,128. Let's look at one more example. 791 times 356. This lattice will be 3 cells long and 3 cells wide. Let's start in the bottom row to see that this works as well. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 9 is 54. And 6 times 7 is 42. So the first row is done. The next row gives 5 times 1, which is 5. 5 times 9, which is 45. And 5 times 7, which is 35. The last row gives 3 times 1, or 3. 3 times 9, which equals 27. And 3 times 7, 21. Again, you have to add the numbers in each diagonal. Only 6 in the first one. Next is 5 plus 0 plus 4, which is 9. After that is 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 2, which is 15. So 5 under the column and carry the 1. Next is 1 plus 7 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4, which equals 21. Write 1 under the column and carry the 2. Almost done now. Next is 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3, which equals 8. And finally, just 2. The final answer is 281,596. You can use lattice multiplication when you multiply integers with several digits.